Hello everyone. So in this YouTube video, I'm going to be teaching you how to restore your WhatsApp backup. Okay, so let's assume you made a backup. So let's first make a WhatsApp backup. Let's come to our WhatsApp application. Okay, so I'll quickly put in my WhatsApp pin. Okay, so these are my two chats on my WhatsApp application. So to back them up, I come to these three dots here. So I come to settings. So when I come to settings, I come to chats. Okay, so I'll scroll down, then come to chat backup. Okay, then I back up right now. Okay, so it will ask for permission and I've granted it. So it's backing up. So it's done backing up. Okay, so after we backing up our chats, we are going to clear WhatsApp, cake, and data. So to clear WhatsApp, cake, and data, come to the settings right here. Okay, so when you come to settings, you want to come to apps. Apps is right here. Okay, so when you come to apps again here. Okay, so at this point, you're going to look for the WhatsApp application. Okay, and we clear its data. So let's look for WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is right here. Okay, so we tap on it. Then we come to storage. All right, so we have to clear the data here. So we clear WhatsApp data. So by clearing WhatsApp data, we are logging out of our WhatsApp and we are even clearing the chats. Okay, so we are doing that to see how we are going to restore the backed up data. Okay, so heading back to our WhatsApp. Okay, so as you can see, it's logged out. So let's continue with English. Agree and continue. So I'll put in my phone number. Okay. So I'll confirm. So it's verifying. All right, so it has verified. Okay, so this is not important. So we restore a backup. As you can see, we are prompted to restore a backup. So we tap on continue. Then you allow access. Okay, so it's basically looking for the backup that we made. Okay, so as you can see, the backup is there. So we tap on restore. So we are restoring backup. All our chats that we had backed up, they're going to be restored within a few minutes. So let's wait. It's restoring, as you can see. Okay, yes, let's be patient. So that's how basically you can restore WhatsApp information, or how you can restore WhatsApp chats, or how you can restore WhatsApp data if at all you've lost your WhatsApp information, or if at all you happen to have deleted your WhatsApp by accident. Okay, so if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching.